We're going to be looking at the forecast discussion for Chicago from the National Weather Service. This was issue 2:35 a.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, December 11, 2023, through Tuesday night. Stratus clears out from the west and southwest today. Seasonably symbolic, stubborn stratus sticking around this morning, though gradual clearing is expected today as low-level flow backs and becomes anticyclonic. With stratus probably lingering into the early afternoon hours over the eastern county warning area, did trim a couple degrees off of forecast highs today, but still in the ballpark of seasonal norms. A south to southwesterly breeze will lock in tonight as the pressure gradient tightens a bit in advance of a cold front, trailing south from a low over Canada. Despite mostly clear skies tonight, the south winds should temper the temperatures fall a bit, with lows mostly in the mid and upper 20s. Cold front will move across the area Tuesday morning with very little fanfare. Just a wind shift to the west-northwest. Brunt of the cold air should stay north of our county warning area, so should not see much of a temperature drop with the front. Temperatures Tuesday night will be a bit tricky, assuming the encroaching mid-high, Assuming the approaching mid-high level cloudiness does not put too big of a caboose on temperature fall, then the light variable winds and ambient cold air mass would support lows in the teens across interior northern Illinois away from the Chicago metro urban heat island. Assuming those low temperatures verify, this will probably end up being the coldest night over the next 7 to 10 days or beyond. Written by Izzy. Long term, issue 2:35 a.m. Monday, December 11, 2023, Wednesday through Sunday. Key message: return to warmer than average temperatures later this week through next weekend, with minimal chances of precipitation. Wednesday will be one last cold. Temperatures near average. One last cold day before mild Pacific air mass floods east across the country. Still seeing hints of potentially some small-scale northern stream disturbance impacting the region this weekend. But guidance continues to vary from run to run, and NBM pops are below mentionable, which is fine for now. Thursday through Sunday, highs look to be in the 40s, with 50 degrees not out of the question. And we're just going to look at the St. Louis, Missouri area forecast discussion. Issued 11:23 a.m. Central Standard Time, Monday, December 11, 2023. Temperatures vary little through the week, with highs and lows near or slightly above seasonal norms. Dry conditions are favored, with less than 20% of the ensemble members supporting measurable rainfall next weekend. Short-term through late Tuesday afternoon. Regional analysis shows a weak surface low over southeast Nebraska, tracking east-southeast into northwest Missouri this morning. IR satellite shows broken to mid-high clouds extending from north-central Missouri southeast across along and west of the Mississippi River. Clouds are in response to a wing of weak warm air advection that will have a modest impact on temperatures today. A nearly stationary boundary extends southeast of the surface low and bisect Missouri. Light variable winds running ahead of the boundary eventually turn out at the south over the southwest third of the state. The feature will gradually translate east-southeast today, drawing in slightly milder temperatures this afternoon. Clouds will clear out as the features continue to translate east-southeast throughout the morning. Mostly sunny skies and strengthening southerly surface flow will allow for a modest boost in temperatures, with highs about 5 degrees warmer than Sunday. Conditions remain stable through the short-term period, with mainly clear skies, allowing temperatures to fall back into the mid-20s to low 30s tonight. A cold front pushes into the region late tonight into Tuesday, which has a greater impact on northeast Missouri and west-central Illinois. The front lacks moisture, but with mostly clear skies persisting into Tuesday, but does have a sensible impact on temperatures over northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. Highs will top out in the low 40s in these locations, while southern sections of the forecast area will warm closer to 50 degrees. The front is expected to clear most areas by Tuesday night. However, mid-high clouds are sent into the region from west to east as an upper closed low positions over the southwest continental United States. This should help keep temperatures from falling too much despite the cold front. Lows are similar to Monday night. Long term, issue 3:10 a.m. NBM ensemble data shows exceptionally tight clustering with 25th to 75th percentile temperature range of 3 to 5 degrees at most through Friday. Even heading into next weekend, when spread slightly increases, temperature ranges are only 5 to 7 degrees. The only precipitation probabilities are introduced late Friday into Saturday, with less than 10% of the members supporting measurable rainfall, 0.01 or more, across any portions of the county warning area. That being said, there is higher than average confidence that current forecasts through the period will play out close to reality with a few minor notes. A strong surface high near 1,040 MB traverses the upper Midwest into the Ohio Valley through the midweek as a cold front slips south of the forecast area. Cooler air will be fed into the region on the light east and northeast surface flow that works around the eastern and southern periphery of the surface high. Meanwhile, medium and long-range guidance shows high relative humidity values, 70 to 90%, ejecting eastward from the closed low out of the southwest continental United States, signaling mid-high level cloud cover and impending sunshine through much of the day. With temperatures starting out in the mid-20s to low 30s, lack of sunshine and passage of the front will keep temperatures from moving much, with highs more in line with December norms in the 40s. Temperatures climb slightly Thursday and Friday on southerly return flow as the high shifts east. The main question has been related to rainfall potential, which continues to look low but non-zero. NBM remains below 10% on precipitation chances through the weekend, along with LREF ensemble showing less than 20%, supporting measurable rainfall. GFS deterministic guidance shows a northern stream closed low passing overhead from northwest to southeast, while the European computer model has the system moving well to the north. This gives little confidence that any meaningful rainfall will come to fruition, with dry and mild conditions through the end of the period.